E-commerce, I would say this is one of the important platforms for us, unlike any other brand as well. And today, when I talk about e-commerce, we have got our own brand store, and also there is like other, I would say, other platforms also with what we are actually using for our sales. But specifically when it comes to our brand store, again, the way I've said that the most important thing for a brand store is that we can actually display our entire range of products over there. We can actually have a lot of interactions with the consumer in terms of identifying their needs, what they want, and we can offer the products accordingly. There are options for payments for the consumer, that okay, the way he wants to make the payments. So e-commerce is actually an important tool, and today if you'll see, there's a lot of market shift also which is happening. So it's like not only in the West, even in India also there's a lot of shift which is actually happening on e-commerce platform. So it is contributing a lot of value, and like most importantly, it is more about the experience for the end consumer. So it is not so much to do from the tactical standpoint, but rather I would say it's more from the brand building perspective. It's more from the imagery perspective of the brand, and it is also from the perspective that okay, I can showcase everything at one place to my consumer.